famous Turkish platform has held a competition between Sila Turkoglu and Yagmur Yuksel. Sila is a famous Turkish actress, while Yagmur Yuksel any series has not yet appeared on the screens of mainstream media. Sila has proved herself successful in both government and mainstream media, while Yagmur has not got any project on mainstream media yet. Although both are beautiful, the Turkish platform has held a competition between them. Now fans of Sila and Yagmur are commenting and voting for their favorite Turkish star, and everyone is excited for the result.